Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and I finally went out to Walgreens and did a couple deals today. There was one little snag I'll talk about, and I know a lot of you are getting in on that Neutrogena deal. I posted a video yesterday and yeah, that's going smoothly. That $5 Walgreens cash when you spend $8, I didn't get it, but I tried to use a, I had a $6 back when you spend $30, so the two didn't stack for me. And we'll see if I even get that 5 off of 8 or 5 off of 10 or whatever it is. I even heard rumors it's supposed to be 5 back when you spend 20. They've changed the verbiage 8,000 times on it. So I'll show you the deal and how I did it. I managed to get this whole lot for $4.62 for the 8 items, making it 57 cents each. Not too shabby. And then we have a little bit of Rite Aid freebies right here. Really sweet deal for some very inexpensive deodorant over at Meijer, 49 cents each. And then we have some very inexpensive cookie and brownie mix, and then a freebie over at Meijer, and then a quick little Bath and Body Works item we'll talk about at the end. Weather report, it's blindingly sunny out there, so that's it. Hi to my mom if she's watching. And the first store that we have is Walgreens. So the first item that I grabbed was one of these $2 Hallmark cards. And this is a weird shaped one because you can actually put like a money card or money there. And it was exactly $2 on the nose. I had a 2 off any Hallmark card, priced right there on the back. So it just made it completely for free. And I did this as my first transaction because I just didn't know if that $2 would come off or what. So I just did it on its own and it worked. And then once I paid for this, I got a $6 Walgreens cash when you spend 30, a Catalina that came out of the machine. And then so for my next basket, I got at least $30 of merch. Now guys, that cereal deal that I posted yesterday, I didn't do it. Here's why. I think I donated about 38 boxes of cereal recently, and it's just one of those things. They said they were really stocked up on cereal, and I just don't want to buy stuff if I can't donate it. We haven't been seeing a lot of extended family lately because of COVID, so I just passed on it. I thought other people in the store could buy it and I would just be good without doing it. So that's why I don't have the Frosted Flakes marshmallows here, but that is a really solid deal. Visit yesterday's video for the deets on that. So this is what I got for this haul. I got 2 of these Gillette disposable razors. This guy is $8.49 and this guy would be, or this lady was 50% off. $5 digital for this and a $3 digital for this. When you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash that will be put on your store card. And then I grabbed 2 toothpastes. They are 2 for $8. $2 coupons from the December P&G, dropping it down to $4. And when you buy 2, you get this guy back. Okay guys, so the last 2 items that I grabbed were 2 of the Scots. They are buy one, get one 50% off. And at $5 each, that was $7.50 for the 2. And then I grabbed the Tide. This guy was $4.99. We have a $2 coupon, dropping it down to $2.99. So for all of these items, it was just under $30 or like $32, and then it dropped down to $19.12. I actually paid $3 more because this $3 coupon did not come off. Whenever I give paper coupons for P&G products, these ones tend not to come off for whatever goofy reason, but customer service credited me the $3, so it doesn't really matter. $19.12, and then I got back this $4 register reward. I got back $4 of Walgreens cash, and then I also got back $6 of Walgreens cash. As you remember, I had a spend 30, get back 6, and then I got a quarter back from IBOTTA for buying the Scott, plus Fetch also gave me back 75 points for buying these 2 bad boys. After all of that magic, it's like $4.62 for the 8 items, or 57 cents each. Walgreens cash booster or whatever it's called, the $5 one. I can't read the verbiage on it. It's just kind of a mess right now, so I'm just going to leave it where it is. I could not stack it with the 6 off of 30, so maybe I'll do an online deal later this week, or maybe it's good till the 31st, so maybe I'll do it later. But they're not really being specific with the verbiage, and they're changing things around every once in a while. It's very frustrating. If you have to call customer service or get in touch with them, do so, or mention it to somebody at your store if there's a manager who can help you out. But it's kind of like a hot apple fail and a mess this week. I was very happy with this deal that I was able to do, but those boosters should just work in the store, or they should be very specific with how they're supposed to work. And I didn't receive the emails with all the fine print, so it's kind of frustrating, but that was Walgreens this week. Talk about Rite Aid. We're going to talk really quick about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for about 2 years, and there's always yummy meals. I got these 3 this week. I know some of you just love to see the food. And there's that one. So if you guys are interested, I have a link in the notes to get $40 off your first box, making it $20 with the shipping included for 3 amazing meals. And I think this is like 10 steps above Applebee's. And if you just want to try it the one time, you would order your first box and then deactivate your account or put it on cancel or pause. And you can try 3 meals for 20 bucks, or you might end up in my situation where you are eating this food for a really long time because it's so good. So if you guys are interested, check out the link in the notes, and it's a $40 coupon code off your first box, making it 20 bucks. Okay, so like everything in life, last week Rite Aid was absolutely popping with all the deals, and this week it's a little bit slower. So these Airwick, it's a double pack of the oils, $4.99 each. So for 2 of them, it's $9.98. We have a $2.50 coupon from the Smart Source of November the 1st. Utilizing 2 of them, $5 is coming off. You're paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 of bonus cash, making it completely for free. Per card, guys, you can do it twice. So there you have that. These ones specifically fit. Remember at the Dollar General last January, we were getting these for like a 25 cents, and they had all these like fun, like a reindeer, a snowman, they had a Santa one. So you might want to look through what you have, because that is the perfect one to fit, and like how stinking cute is that? So now we're over at Meijer. We're going to talk about 2 deals right off the bat that are free, that include the hand sanitizer deal by this company called We Clean. 1 per store card, so I did it on 2 different store cards, and it's working on this bigger one too, the 16 ounce or 16 fluid ounce. I got this one a couple weeks back, but it's the same company. This one smells a lot like Bath and Body Works. It's called Sugar Plum Scent, and the other one is a cookie scent. 1 per store card, so I did it on both mine and my husband's store card. And I don't think that coupon, you can still load it. Maybe it's still available, but free hand sanitizer is the best kind of hand sanitizer. Okay guys, so here's the free M-Perk. So hopefully you loaded that on Sunday, and there was also a free M-Perk for yogurt as well. Okay, so now we're going to talk really quickly about these Special K bars. Shout out to NerdyBirdie99 over on Instagram. She presented this deal for me, and it's really fantastic. It's on this specific one, which is called Special K Pastry Crisps Caramel Latte. That's a mouthful. As you can see, this is the IBOTTA dollar rebate that you can do up to 5 times. You have to buy this specific one. So grabbing 5 of these, that's $12.45. Buy 5, save 5. You will pay $7.45 out of pocket. Out of the Catalina machine, you'll get a $2.50 on your next order. Make a submission 5 times to IBOTTA for $1 back each. That's $5 right there. Making the 5 boxes free plus a 5-cent money maker. Thanks again, Karen. This is an awesome deal. We're going to talk about the Speed Stick deal. Nobody's really talking about this, and I think it's quite the great little deal. These bars are $1.99 a piece. I've already tried this one, that's why I put my initial there. It's an unscented men's deodorant. It's supposed to be more potent than regular women's deodorants. I thought, hey, I'm gonna give it a shot, and it's unscented, so I'm not gonna smell like musk. Grab 5 of them, guys, at $1.99 a pop. That's $9.98. They're part of a buy 5, save 5. $5 will be shaved off right there. Plus, we have a 50-cent off of each M-Perk, so $2.50 will come off of each. And you'll be left with paying $2.45 for the 5, making it 49 cents per deodorant that are usually $2.99 each. I mean, that's a phenomenal price point. And yes, I did buy 10 in this transaction, and that 50 cent each applied to all 10 of them. This is another fantastic deal. The Betty Crocker, they have a whole host of different flavors of the cookie mix. They are $2.08 each, so you can grab this, like 5 of them. They also have this brownie mix too, so I got 5 of those. So these guys, $2.08 each. For 5 of them, that's $10.40. Buy 5, save 5. You'll be left with paying $5.40 out of pocket for the 5, making it $1.08 per cookie mix or brownie mix. And not that I'm Little Miss Arts and Crafts, but remember these little, I don't know, they're like metal, they're for cookies and stuff. We got them at the Dollar General for $1 last January. Like, you put one of those mixes in with a couple cookie cutters that were also $1 at the Dollar General. I mean, that would make a great little gift for like a neighbor or a friend, and it looks like you've actually put a lot of effort into it. And I think it's just a cute little idea, you know? Like, why not? That we're going to talk about is Bath and Body Works, and I just wanted to remind you guys, if you might have some free coupons. I had one that was expiring on Sunday, so I just like ran to the store and did this deal. It was an item that was $14.50 for free if you bought another item that had no specific price point. So what I did, guys, I bought this guy for $1.95. And then I got this guy, and then I had a 20% off coupon that I also applied to this. So I think I paid $1.62 after tax for the 2 items. So you might want to look through your coupons if you have any Bath and Body Works coupons, and see when they expire, because they no longer offer that 3 days pre, 3 days post grace period for coupons anymore. They got rid of that last, I think, February. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.